Ulani ngapha awuvela usudlule uqonde qala indlela edlulayo yokuqala
Ngakashizidandwa zami ngenxa yakho kodwa bayeke bakhulume baqede mina ngithanda
Good morning, class. How are you this morning?
We are very well, thank you, sir. And how are you?
I am okay. Guys, yesterday I gave you the work. May I check? Did you all do my homework that I gave it to you yesterday?
Yes.
Let me go through and check. Alright?
Yes.
Because I know some of the people are not doing the work.
What is the problem, guys? What is the problem? Yini inkinga yakho? Wenze umsebenzi. Wenze njani? Uyadweba. I have to deal with So when you do the corrections, you must stop this rubbish, right? You must stop this rubbish and focus on the corrections that you are going to do. We have to throw each and every question, okay? That you are going to throw, and you must participate in the correction. This is one. Okay, grade 6. Thank you for doing my work. I've checked. I see that you're very much exceptional, okay? Niyaphila madoda.
Yeah, siphi.
Njengoba ni late madoda. Uzongigijimela ningibuye lapha izansi kathathu.
Hayi mina malume sibonana isikhathi.
And futhi mina alarm lami mawula ekhaya.
Elina, ngizama lokho engitshela khona nizongena emaclassini.
Awungeke ngicela izama ukuni.
Okay. Ucishe nonke lamaphepha lapho ucingweni.
Awungeke phela sisebenza amasipala.
Ngilokho ngithisana nani mina coshana lamaphepha.
May I have Mnyeni to come forward and help us to do the corrections for this one. Mnyeni, come forward. Here is the first option. Do the corrections by calculating perimeter of a square. Remember to write an appropriate formula. Guys, just note that this is very simple nature. We need to use a special formula. So we use the incorrect formula, okay? May I have another one? Who can use an appropriate formula to calculate the perimeter of the square? Yes, woman? Guys, take off your head. And then you're eating something. Take it out. Hey, what is the problem? Why you are late? What time is it now? After an hour, you arrive later after an hour. No, guys, no. That is not acceptable. Why? Where are the exercise books? Exercise books? Where? It means that you did not do my homework. How can that you left the exercise books in the class and then you move around? Huh? Why you arrived late? A pedestrian is experiencing traffic.
Yes.
How come? You said that there was an accident. And then you're watching accident.
No, there was very bad and so many people in traffic every way.
How guys? Oh, that is not acceptable. Can you hear class? Yes. A pedestrian is experiencing traffic. Is that real? No. Oh, that is not real. Just go out and wait for me then. I want to deal with you. No, I cannot attend this. Go outside. Go. Multiplication. No. When you multiply, that is an area. Okay? You will proceed with that. You will proceed. Who said this? I do not think we will finish it. You must tell them. Oh, you don't have respect. You may have a seat. Nansi kuphumelele. Kuphumelele yabona. Nani enze kahle ngomthembu wakhe. Uyabona wenze kahle kanjani? Wawenze kahle ngomthembu wakhe. When you've been struggling, uyabona. And then ube umphumela wakho now you are influenced by someone else. Niyabona lento le? Niyabona? Isandama sakho. Usuyimisele ngokufeyila le. Mbuyazi uyimisele ngokufeyila. Kungani ungayimiseli manje? Ngoba usufika late nje after an hour kusho ukuthini lokho? Kusho ukuthi uzofeyila ngoba ufikile sesiqalile. Is that correct? Malini? Instead of improving, we are dropping ngempela. Kwenze njani ngempela? Uhlala nobani ekhaya? Hayi ngathi ngizodika abazali benu manje. Ngikhathelwe nini? Nifika late naseklasini niyahlupha njalo. Sengibekezele kwanele phela manje. Enough is enough. Nimisele nobabeni. Mina ngithembisa uzoshintsha. Yes. Warning yokugcina ke le. Sizona guys. Yes. Warning yani? Warning yokugcina. Otherwise manifuleke ukulalela these instructions from now onward. Ngizobiza abazali. Sizwana? Kuyezwakala yini? This is the last warning. Sizwana ngithi? Okay, let's go back to the classroom.
Phela salo ligehini phela salo ligehini sokweni ngasemgidini mgidagideni iskipeni kustrategy abahedeli phambanisa ujantshi emgaqweni wembabane ema-Roman set ingadaliyana nangufakazi sisebenza idayimani siyokudla amagumba amandla Khoma ipiki nefoshwa ley'ntaba enihlangana ibala bangibiza umabhamuza bosobuze kazi ngishiya phuzwa buka bhulu ngababuza bongikhumbuza mangiguduza ngiyakorufa buka vusi ngiyavukuza ngiyabavusa ngila rap esusuthuko ehlala ulizwa gumbagumba sivunguvungu masesirapha kubuhlungu zola impilo ibelikhulu manje sesenza kakhulu sibasa umlilo ngalokhulu shintsha impilo ngalo mculo never satha umhlala phansi saphisana ngaziduro kule game iminisilo ninabanye namabutho kule game ngimixile ninabanye bengisaphupha sibopha ifindo ngamahubo
Ngihlezi ngifunda imaths ekhaya vele yakhula.
Awuphethe asame nje nakho kunye nifane sifunde khona sophasa mfethu. Okay, yabo la. Amaskozana elo ina.
Okay, ngiyibona into uSimanga.
Usimanga?
Usimanga.
Abo phela ngiyakhona ukuthi uSimanga yithi nami ngiyafundisa. Sisakwenza manje.
Ngibona njani?
Siyaphila.
Nami ngiyaphila.
Ngifunda imaths la.
Ya, sifundele ngicela ungifundise.
Leya nami nganifundisa.
Khulasi right.
Animanti mina ngijoyini.
Ayikhuleka.
Mina ngingisi right nesibabe.
I